So the renders and some of the features of the Motorola Razr 70 has been leaked, and this flip phone is most likely going to be one of the most interesting flip phones of 2026. Anyway, without further ado, let's explore the details that are leaked. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So from the leaked renders, as you can see, the Razr 70 keeps that classic flip phone aesthetic that Motorola has been refining. It looks very similar to the Razr 60, but it's not a bad thing at all. You still get that sleek hinge, a compact fold, and a stylish textured back finish that gives it a premium look. The cover display remains large and practical, perfect for quick notifications, selfies, and even apps without opening the phone. Now, the device comes in multiple colorways, including Pantone Sporting Green, Hematite, and Violet Ice. So you have multiple colors to actually choose from. Now, as regarding the specs, according to the details, the device would have a 6.9-inch inner display with a sharp 1080 by 2460 resolution. On the outside, you get a 3.63-inch cover screen, which is big enough to actually be useful, and it's also the same size as the cover screen of the Motorola Razr 60. Now, performance-wise, currently the phone's processor isn't revealed, but it is expected to be powered by the same processor that powers the Motorola Razr 60, which is the Dimensity 7400X. Now, I may be wrong, but that's according to the details. Now, in terms of memory, the device is expected to come with 8GB, 12GB, and even 16GB of RAM, paired with storage options all the way up to 1TB. In the camera department, Motorola is switching things up. Instead of an ultra-wide that you get on the Motorola Razr 60, Motorola is switching things up. Now you get a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 32MP selfie camera. That telephoto lens is the big deal here. It means better zoom shots and more versatility, especially for a flip phone. The phone packs a 4500 mAh battery, which is solid for a foldable. It should comfortably last a full day depending on usage. The device is also expected to have a much more faster charging capabilities than the Motorola Razr 60. Now, pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but based on previous launches, it is expected that the Razr 70 would land somewhere in the $800 range. Yeah, it's not going to be a cheap device, guys. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, the Motorola Razr 70 comes with a little bit of upgrades that makes it a little bit better than the Motorola Razr 60. Now, the price that I mentioned may be based on speculation, but it's still extremely high, and it may cost up to $800 because the Razr 60 is about $600. Yeah, it costs about $600 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage option. So this device may cost a little bit more than that, but I may be wrong. So make sure to take the details that I share with you guys with a pinch of salt. So there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.